Welcome to Explore It Anyway. After taking more than 4,000 turns in 2 days, I am going to finish my journey to Mae Hong Son, Lahu. On my way, I'm going to try out the famous Ja Bo Noodles. Then I'll visit Ban Rak Thai village. I'm going to experience the breathtaking roadside view and waterfalls. I'm starting my journey from the beautiful Pai of Mae Hong Son. The first destination is going to be Ban Ja Bo village. It is 54 km from here. So this area is super beautiful, but the problem is it doesn't have any space to park the car. I'm constantly taking turns, right? So I cannot really record the trip. I'm going to take a washroom break here. They have a viewpoint here. I think it is going to be an amazing view. It's going to be a breathtaking view. I cannot wait to see it. I am literally in the middle of nowhere. The roadside free public washrooms are super neat and clean, like a 5-star hotel. The views of washrooms are even better than a 5-star hotel. The view from this viewpoint is amazing. I stopped at another viewpoint. Let's see what is there to see. So guess where I am? I'm at Ban Ja Bo village. Ban Ja Bo is a black Lahu village of Mae Hong Son province. More than 100,000 Lahu people live there. These people are not black, but black is their favorite dress. More than 700,000 Lahu people lives in China. This village was long known for its spectacular view. It is most recently got fame for its Ban Ja Bo Noodles and a restaurant with a floor seating where you may dangle your leg over the edge. Traditional Ban Ja Bo Noodles is made with pork, but they have veg option. I personally did not like the food as much as I wanted it to. Now I'm going to head toward the Ban Rak Thai village. It is 50 kilometers from here. I think the roadside view is only getting better with time. I'm guessing it's a farming house. People store their grain in these little houses. After driving further, I came across this little market. They're selling honey over here. It is not the time for sunset, but started to get dark pretty early here. I am scared right now because I still have a lot to go. And it will be very difficult to drive in this mountainy road in the dark. I think this is the gate for the Ban Rak Thai village. I am so happy that I made it before sunset. They have already lit the lanterns. It looks extraordinary. I can only imagine what it would look like in the dark. It was raining outside, so I could not really look for cheaper hotels. As far as I can recall, it costed me around 1,600 Thai baht. The room was excellent. The view was even better. I was super tired, so I slept like a baby. I woke up before sunrise. Ban Rak Thai village is famous for its iconic architecture of houses. Finally, we found those houses. And these are the iconic Ban Rak Thai style houses. The distinguishing feature of Ban Rak Thai village houses is the old style material that were used to construction, namely clay mixed with rice straws. I want to see those houses from very close distance. Apparently it is a resort known as Ban Rak Thai Resort. It is located inside a tea garden. Now it is time to hit the road again. I'm heading toward the Mae Hong Son city center. On the way, I came across a beautiful waterfall. It is known as Suea Waterfall. After a short walk, I could really see the beautiful waterfall. It is indeed a very beautiful waterfall. There also have beautiful benches where you can sit and take rest. Another waterfall, and it's a beautiful one. It feels so good to be in the middle of jungle and to be able to see this waterfall. It is time to go back to my car again and start my journey to the Mae Hong Son city center. The roadside view is getting better and better. Finally, I reached to the flat land. It's easier to drive when the land is flat. I came across this beautiful road where in the both sides I could see the paddy fields. It is so green everywhere. It is an amazing view. Speaking of paddy fields, I am getting very hungry at this point, but I could not find any restaurants where I can eat. Finally, I have reached to the gate of Mae Hong Son. After spending 2 days in the wilderness and the mountainy road, it feels weird to be in a town with so many cars. But still, I must say that this town has a vibe to it that makes it very likable. So far, I've visited many towns in Thailand, but this town is very different. After wandering around to this town, I came across this beautiful temple located just beside this lake. I've been told that it is more beautiful at night time, but I'm not going to stay here for night. It is a Burmese style temple. It is more than 100 years old. Look at this beautiful cat. It is just relaxing in this temple so peacefully. This temple of Mae Hong Son is particularly famous for its glass paintings. This glass painting is supposed to be inside this temple. I have to figure it out where it actually is. I think these are the glass paintings that people are talking about. These glass paintings depicts the Jataka tales. Jataka tales tells story about the previous lives of the Lord Buddha. I really like the complex of this temple. I like the decorations and the designs. I decided to spend some time walking around different complex, different buildings of this temple. This is supposed to be the tourist office of Mae Hong Son. From here you can collect a certificate that proves that you have come to Mae Hong Son. Honestly speaking, it is not easy to come to Mae Hong Son. It was not easy to take all the 4,000 turns that I have out to. Some of those turns were very dangerous as well, but look at this view. It was totally worth it because of the beautiful view. Now it is time to hit the road again. I'm going to drive toward Chiang Mai now. According to Google Maps, I'm going to encounter a few beautiful viewpoints. I have no idea how it is going to look like. Let's see. I think I've reached to this viewpoint. It is incredibly beautiful. I was not expecting it to be so beautiful, to be honest, but it is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for staying with me during the whole trip. It means a lot to me. Please like this video, share this with your friends, and please let me know your feedback in the comment section.